Awning windows. Florence is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functional appeal. With a variety of awning window styles available, residents can select from custom awning windows, vinyl awning windows, and aluminum awning windows to suit their specific needs. Awning window contractors in Florence offer expert guidance and professional installation services to ensure a seamless process. Energy-efficient awning windows. Florence provides significant benefits, including reduced energy costs and improved indoor comfort. Awning window experts in Florence can help you choose the best energy-efficient awning window options to maximize these benefits. By selecting the right awning window materials, you can enhance your home's energy efficiency and contribute to a more sustainable environment. For those seeking awning window replacement Florence, there are numerous awning window companies offering comprehensive services. Awning window replacement Florence services include everything from initial consultation to final installation, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Awning window professionals in Florence are equipped to handle all aspects of the replacement process, providing high-quality results. Custom awning windows. Florence offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance. Awning window designs can be tailored to match your specific style preferences, providing a distinctive look that sets your home apart. Awning window specialists in Florence are skilled in creating custom solutions that meet your individual requirements. Awning window replacement Florence is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Regular awning window maintenance can prevent costly replacements and extend the lifespan of your windows. Awning window replacement. Florence services are available to address any issues promptly and efficiently, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Awning window solutions in Florence are designed to enhance both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your home. Awning window upgrades can improve your property's curb appeal and increase its overall value. Awning window companies in Florence offer a variety of solutions to meet your specific needs, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Florence awning window installation services are provided by experienced professionals who understand the unique requirements of the local climate. Awning window contractors. Florence are knowledgeable about the best practices for installation, ensuring your windows are secure and weather-resistant. With their expertise, you can trust that your awning windows will perform optimally for years to come. Awning windows Florence quotes are available from multiple providers, allowing you to compare options and select the best fit for your budget. Awning window services. Florence include detailed quotes that outline all costs associated with your project. By obtaining multiple quotes, you can make an informed decision and ensure you receive the best value for your investment.